Nigade misana moja ina misake na gaza chancha mina Ozame Wena mzaze katira Wakutepene wasike Ashibula Wamuza we marira Ozame misimu mwore Gamba mwore Musise gata People power Ati gasa tuagase Chaulaku wachatuli kuzoe brao Mdiwana ya fenatu
Panange, we have Nina Rose, beautiful, talented and patriotic. We have Spencer, Twina Pull Up, Twina, one of my favorite comedians. Omusumba people, na yoni musumba byadala.
Musumba bantu baffe bakyuke. Kabagane, biri mukaga, vume nsonga yoweri.
Nelindako, akasati kano ng'okagala nnyo n'akakofiira.
Akasati kano ensonga ekanjagaza eryemu. Nti ne nakyemalira bwakatunulako. Naye ati amulwaliro mu n'empita ku konvoyi ye olwakalaba naye ne yeesikamu. Ogu nipito, emanya watidde.
Tuyina ba artists bangi, Dr. Bitone, ono twamuyitanga Butcherman muto, bamuyita Slaughter, twamuyitanga Slaughter Kid bwe yakula kati bamuyita Manslaughter. So these are artists wanane Manslaughter. Tuyina Rainy bannange, tuyina bangi nnyo, tuyina Mickey Wine in the house. Katona ayina ne concert nga musanvu. Ozame ayina concert nkya eya Mudra ya nkya. So mbadde njagala nnyo bayita to appreciate you. To all of you artists, they don't know say me is an artist, but me is a lawyer too. See? It is very, very honorable, very encouraging to stand with you. Zendi artist mwana. Twali tetukifunangako. Katonda abadde ng'aleeta ba lawyers, aleeta ba engineers, aleeta baani ku mulundi guno yaleeta ghetto youth ate nga artist. So this is supposed to be our time. We are supposed to give the best example to people. Kuba Katonda alondayo omu. Bw'alireeta omukazi n'abeera mukulembeze wa kabi aliba atuddeko sho. Bw'alireeta omusawo oba omubazi oba omusomesa n'afuuka wa kabi baliba batuddeko sho. This is our time. Okubba sho oba okugisuula. Batugamba every generation, I want to add that every sector has its opportunity, has to realize its cause. Bagifiise oba bagiyiseemu. Kimpanya amaanyi okuyimirira nammwe baganda bange mu maaso g'abantu bonna mu mulundi guno nga babawa nnyo ssente okulimba obutayogera mazima. Ne muyimirira ku mazima ate mwebale kuyimirira n'abantu ababafuula abaakabi. It is the people that turn us into this. Abantu nga Kabako mwebale nnyo mwebale ddala. Keep strong. Tugenda kuwangula. One day tujja kuba freestyle eno nga tuli mu State House. Ekyo kirekodinge ojja kibajjukiza. Temugwamu maanyi. Temugwamu maanyi wadde ba artists abamu babawa akasente ne babalimbalimba eno Uganda yammwe mwana. Muli baakabi nnyo ate mujja kukikola. Mwebale nnyo mwebale ddala ndowooza ne bwe mweddirayo baganda bange. People power! Our power! People power! You see them are artists, them are bad, you know. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I thought it was very important to recognize those artists that have remained steadfast, that have remained patriotic. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you here today. We meet at a time when so much is going on in our country. We meet at a time when many of our brothers were artists. Katsawa ya kwogera bingera ate temuva omwana njaga musoke mu oluze kino ekiruga okitegeera. Ate mu binyonyole ne bamiziki bannaffe abalala bamanye nti tuli mu byaddala. So friends, I was telling you that we're meeting in a very critical time. As we speak, many of our people in Chitezi are still buried under the rubbish, under the garbage. As I speak to you today, I'm bringing greetings from our Deputy President of Western Uganda, Mama Jolly Mugisha. She's not feeling well. She was very ill to the extent that she was taken to the intensive care unit. Thank God, the latest we're hearing is that she's improving. Continue praying for her. Comrades, I also bring greetings from the diaspora. They send you abamu ne bagambirawo nti bo baagala genda kulamuza na dictator. Mwabalaba abamu basooka kwefuula bampisa, basooka kwefuula bantu balamu, naye olwasembera okumpi n'essente z'omusolo mulaba kye baakola. Olunaku lwa leero basebo ne banyabo nga tetukkiriziganya nakwonoona ssente za muwa musolo ez'okulambula ti musipendinga biliyoni 5 mu north, 5 billion in the east, 5 billion in the west, 5 billion in the central. Ekyo twakiganye naye mwalabe bannaffe abamu bagenze. So as we join here, friends, our mission is to liberate our country. We know that it's clear to the population. At least omulundi ogusookedde ddala mukirabyeko basebo ne bannyabo nti Abannayuganda kibeera clear ne bannabyabufuzi bamanya abantu kye bagamba. Kyannaku nnyo titukyalina mu bannabyabufuzi atunulira abantu kye bagamba naye mwana wattu n'akivaako ye n'agenda n'ekyoyo anyigiriza abantu. I want to encourage you not to be like that, ladies and gentlemen. I want to encourage you to stand by what we believe in, by what we promise the people. Those who rule over our country are scared, very, very scared. Every time we organize like this, every time we unite like this, we are taking a step to liberation. Bino tetuli mu byabufuzi bya bulijjo basebo ne bannyabo. No, tuli ku mission ya kujjako nakyemalira na kutereeza ggwanga lyaffe lifuuke ekyo kye twegomba ate nga tugenda kituukako amazima ga Katonda mu. But to achieve that, we have to do these things. Number one, we have to identify the problem. Second, we have to suggest solutions to the problem. And finally, we have to take action. Ebintu bisatu tulina buli omu okwewundaganya ne twebulirira ku kizibu ky'eggwanga kiriwa ne tukimanya. Bwe tumanya ekizibu ky'eggwanga kyendowooza nti eyo step twagivaako then ne tusala amagezi solution eri ki kye tulina okukola. Eyo nayo step twagivaako because the solution is to get involved. Being here with the artists, with traders, with the barbers like Eddie Mutwe, with border riders, it means that all sections of Uganda understood the problem and they understood what to do, getting involved. The artist okozesa omuziki gwoba talanta yo, gw'omwogezi okozesa ebigambo byo, gw'omu katale tukirira abantu, tumekinge sure nti ffenna tumanye ekizibu. Okulwanyisa sirimu twasooka kumanya nti sirimu si ddogo, twasooka kumanya nti sirimu akwata bw'ati. Bwe twamanya ne twebuuza ku basawo nti okola otya, nti okola bw'oti, omwewala oba oyambala akapiira oba oba mwesigwa eri muno n'ebirala. Eyo step naye twagivaako. The next step we have to do is to take action. So friends who are joining us today, that is what we believe in, that is what we believed in, and that is what we are going to believe in all the days of our life, because that is the truth. I also want to mention to you, friends, that as you join us today, you must know that for us, we don't negotiate our freedom. We believe our freedom is God-given and constitutionally guaranteed. So we don't negotiate for our freedom. We don't beg for our freedom. We just take our freedom. In this time when the economy is in shambles, where more than 80% of the young people are unemployed. 80%. We have 21 people in Uganda. 21 million people in Uganda that live on less than 7,000. Abantu obukade abiri mu kamu bayingiza nusu kasanvu olunaku, kitegeeza tebalya kya misana na kyaggulo. Akasanvu akatasobola nakuwa nti kyanca kamando, kya misana kamando na kyaggulo tekasobola. That is where we are. So we cannot sell out. People have trusted us and we have to live by the trust that we got. I want further to talk about those that sell out, because this is a message especially for those that are joining us. Abantu bangi nnyo batwegasseeko ne oluba okubeegattako nakubikoona. Now it is those so-called opposition people that they are using. You remember we told you that there was a mission to take away the power from you, the people, to elect a president. That mission is still ongoing and they are using opposition people. Waliwo pulani ey'okukyusa okubajjako obuyinza obulonda president, kubanga Museveni twamuleega enkaka wadde yabba akalulu atya okuyingira mu field naffe. N'olw'ensonga eyo ayagala bagala kukyusa constitution, okukyusa nti parliament ebeeronda president. Ekyo mwakiwulirako, ekyo bakyakiriko, ate nga bakozesa abo bennyini. Mukirabye olwaleero ku makya, olwaleero nga wa opposition yennyini oba yeefula wa opposition nga gyagamba kakati NUP bagijeko obuyinza obulonda leader of opposition, kubanga Museveni ayagala wambe ne parliament abeere nga yalonda ne leader of opposition. Ekyo tekibangako bwekyo mu Uganda, because Uganda has never had an opposition like this one. Tekiberangako togera Museveni abadde agulirira abantu ng'agulira aba leader of opposition paka wajja ate balinga baminka. So kati alemedde okututiisatiisa kuba n'okufa tetukutya, alemedde okutugulirira kuba obuswazi twajja tubulabyeko. Kakati ayagala mu buswavu kukozesa abo bayita opposition bagambe bebalonda mwakirabako nti twalonda abantu ne tubasindika mu commission, bwe baamala okubba ne tubagobayo. Museveni n'agamba nitamonga abo batukolera obulungi. Museveni okuba nti ayagala okulonda leader of opposition, ayagala abo abamukolera. Mwali mulabyeko munnaffe bwe yawa n'ekirabo kya $5,000,000 kyamuwakanyiza bulungi. Okuba akafaananyi osindiseyo leader of opposition awakanya omuntu oli n'agamba affe tetwagala Ssenyonyi abatuwakanya, twagala ono yabatuwakanya, yatuwakanya obulungi. Mwalabye nti twalonda abantu ne tubasindika mu committees naye ne bagamba ate musobola bajjako bano betwagala. That is where we are. So as we are here, friends, we want to remind you that for us, we are in war. This is war. Luno lutalo. Bino bya ddala. Eno mulinnya y'amagye. Mulinnya y'amagye. Wano tuwanya abantu ebitiibwa naye ebitiibwa tubibawa okusinziira ku bikolwa byabwe. Tujja kuwa ekitiibwa muganda wange, tujja kubimbisa, tujja kusuuta, naye bw'onootutunda tujja kulabisa. Ate bya ddala wegenda obuzeeko gundi. So I always remind us, because it's necessary. It is necessary, and we must all keep each other to account. We have proposed good things for this our country. We are here today. Corruption is eating up our country, but the regime is defending the corrupt. Today you are not allowed to talk about the corrupt people. Unfortunately, they are using our brothers and sisters in uniform. Olina pasente z'omuwa omusolo, ate ne bakozesa baganda baffe aba poliisi okumukuuma. Nzijukira mu 2021 twaleeta proposal eyongeza abasirikale n'abapoliisi emisaala. Museveni yatya nnyo, era olwava mu kulonda najja n'abagamba ngenda zibongeza, naye olw'enguzi tebasobola kituukiriza. So to you brothers and sisters in uniform, the offer is still standing. The lowest paid police officer and so kati mwaba police n'abali maje n'abali mu prison musaleewo munnange tukubalimu. Finally friends, thank you. Thank you. Finally, friends, while everything is the way it is, while the nation is under attack, while your freedoms are under attack, don't give up. Museveni is panicking. We have Museveni surrounded from all corners, from Europe up to Kenya. You saw him yesterday fighting with my friend Babu Owino. Museveni, you are going to face it. When you go to Tanzania, you will face the same problem. You go to America, same problem. Europe, same problem. Why? Because you are wasted. You are used and useless. Free the people, let them be. How does it feel to you when you came talking about fundamental change and now you're saying no change? You said Africa's problems are Africa's problem are the leaders that overstay in power. You are almost 40 years in power, but you don't want to be reminded of what you say. So our way to challenges are going to be many. Temptations are going to be many, but let us insist. Let us keep going. Let us keep bringing other people on board. Let us keep uniting. Finally, my brother, Dr. Batua. In fact, come, let me say this when I'm standing next to you, and I even have a little gift for you. This brother here is from FDC. Because people from FDC, those that are real, are fighting against the regime. They are real freedom fighters in every party, and I must insist. And there are moles in every party, including NUP. Kanchidemu kino. Waliwo abantu abagala ensi yaabwe mu buli party. Mu FDC, mu DP, mu JEMA, mu NRM. Ate waliyo abali b'enkwe mu buli party ne mu NUP mwebali temubamanyi. Wama b'entebe nimbye. So I want to salute you, my brother. You called for unity. Unity is the only way we are going to defeat this dictator. It's not going to take only one party or one leader. It is going to take all of us. But we are going to unite with a purpose, with a mission. So thank you very much for being with us today. Send our regards to the brothers and sisters in FDC, especially those that didn't sell out. Tell them we are together. Tell them we invite them to join hands with us and fight the dictator. We are aware that they are trying to register their party, and we wish them well. We hope they will allow them, because they did not allow us. And I know the dictator does not allow any real freedom fighter way forward. That's how we got NUP. Our doors are open. Let's work together. Send our love to them. We are not in competition. We should be in collaboration. Thank you very much, and allow me to give you this gift. Not as a member of NUP, but as a member of People Power, because all of us are. Mukamaliro Binyuma. Finally, Ngamaliza, Secretary General, let me invite you please once again. I want to send greetings and salutations to my brother Babu Owino. Comrade Babu Owino, I want you to know that Malcolm X taught us, if the enemy does not fight you, then you're not making any progress. But if they fight you, then you are under their skin. Continue irritating the dictator. Together we shall liberate East Africa and Africa. Thank you very much. Secretary General, Bangamenti, Tuinayo, Akanyomera Kasemba, you mbade msabo to guiding the three.
Yeah, as they come, there's a gentleman. Here was another graduation gift for you, Mr. President. Now, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, sure. People power, our power. Katinga mani tusimude tukozechi, tusimude. Ha, very very beautiful picture. Pencil King. Yeah. Banange Fanani, such beautiful pieces of art. Yeah. Council. Council Waketo youth manamuli inspired. As well manamuli inspired, know that your dreams are valid. Osobola Ochikuba, nawe nobera council, na president. People power. Yeah, under the guidance of the president, we decided to equip our mobilization teams. Isma, yingizao ebyakabi byafe, betugenda handing over to our mobilization teams. Chairman Nyansi Jango Belewano, go ahead of mobilization. Saba ne deputy mobilization, Bajewano, Belewano, Mabana. Katolo no tusimu de ban. Nga ibyakabi bino bikwe bija. This is just a beginning. Under the guidance of our President Ndabwe Magambe, tusaze wonti kuli region ya Uganda, at least a frame motoka egenda kweyange ekole emirimu kya people power buli kiseera. Motoka emegenda kukola emirimu kya Buganda endala ekole ekya Eastern region, Western region, Northern region. Full time. Era nga bwe ngambye, this is just a beginning. We shall try our best to make sure that even all other sub-regions get capacity to do this work. So, Mr. President, may you hand over the keys to these deputy secretaries for mobilization. DJ, walone eyo kuna eyingira eyo egenda kubeera wano ku headquarter eyokutaano ng'ekola emirimu kya department wano ku kitebe wennyini. So Mr. President, if you could hand over those keys to, yeah, oh. No, so. Batugambe tukeko wansi. Naye abeyo bana aba batulaba. Tebalaba. I hand this key to you to go and mobilize the whole of northern Uganda, open their eyes, and let's go, so that by the next time we have an opportunity to set it down. How are you for? Good day. Mona Gawaya Kulwa Kaluya, coordinator wa Eastern Region, ngwaire emotoka eno oje okunge Eastern yona mukunge abantu bona abasoga abakedi abagisu mpaka kuboda abateso bona tubikole bana we bale. Okay.
Ebiseera by'omu maaso eri abayiiya bano abeekakasa ate nga balowooleza waggulu nnyo biri wano ku Diamonds Pre and Primary School mu Kimbejja Buddo. Essomero lino ly'abawala n'abalenzi era naabo abava waka n'ab'ekisulo wetusomeseza ne twagazisa n'okukyusa ebirowoozo by'abamusaayi muto. Abasomesa baffe bayivu bulungi, balina obumanyirivu, bazuula ne balera n'okutumbula talanta z'abaana ssekinnoomu. Diamonds Pre and Primary School mu Kimbejja Buddo. Tukwaniriza tuwa omwana wo tojja kwejjusa.